6 conservative justices on the Supreme Court ended affirmative action on college campuses today.
The ruling struck down 45 years of legal precedent guiding the higher ed admissions process in the United States. Our political editor Mark Maxwell has more on the impact to new students of color. Mark.
Ann and Mike, we already have hard data that shows the effect of policies like this from states that have already banned admissions offices from considering a student's race in the college application process. In Michigan and in California, banning affirmative action policies resulted in dramatic declines in black students enrolled in college.
I felt extremely disadvantaged.
Marquise Govan overcame a lot of obstacles before arriving on campus at St. Louis University.
It was very hard for me as a first-generation black student to apply to college because no one had ever gone through the process in my family.
His grandmother helped him apply and get in, but it wasn't easy.
My hope was in things like affirmative action, that those would be the things that could give me the leg up to be able to see the opportunities that many folks in my family had not been able to.
Now, as the president of the Student Government Association, he's plugged into politics and the Supreme Court decision where Chief Justice John Roberts wrote, the student must be treated based on his or her experiences as an individual, not on the basis of race.
I think it's funny that the court struck down affirmative action but didn't target legacy admissions. Because a lot of these justices went to very elite institutions that benefit, and they would personally benefit from legacy admission. So class and status can still be a determinant factor, but race cannot.
5 on your side political analyst Anita Mannion teaches political science at the University of Missouri St. Louis.
Now, previously, states could choose to outlaw affirmative action as a consideration in college admissions. So, for example, in Michigan, they've done that, and we saw a significant decrease in the number of black students enrolled in college.
In a letter to college campuses, Missouri's Attorney General Andrew Bailey wrote, Missouri institutions must identify all policies that give preference to individuals on the basis of race and immediately halt the implementation of such policies. In a statement, Washington University said, we are firmly committed to cultivating a diverse student body, and today's decision by the U.S. Supreme Court does not change this commitment.
The court has been wrong before. I think this is rolling back the clock in many respects.
And new political reaction tonight, St. Louis Mayor Tashara Jones calling the court's ruling, quote, wrong and racist. In Illinois, Governor J.B. Pritzker calling the ruling a travesty and said, quote, here in the land of Lincoln and Obama, we will continue to uplift our students of color, promoting inclusion and expanding access through record levels of funding for higher education institutions and our MAP grant program so that every student has the opportunity to earn a degree.